Hello viewer, we will make the designs. Also use another shape. We will try our best to use the designs. Let's make the addition there. Also add a paint, and there is a paint as well. Here is the shape. We have it to design more options.